In this lecture, we are going to evaluate functions. First, let's take a look at f of 1. Notice that the 1 is on the inside of the parentheses. That means we're going to take that 1 and plug it in everywhere you see an x into the f function. So, if I'm going to plug it in, I'm going to have f of 1, because don't forget you're plugging it in wherever you see an x, equals 5 times 1 plus 2. Now I'm going to simplify. F of 1 equals 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, so f of 1 is going to be 7. Now for this next one, it says f of g of 4. So I'm going to start with the inside of my expression, and I'm going to do g of 4. So I'm going to take that 4 and plug it in wherever you see an x into the g function. So I have g of 4 equals 4 squared minus 1. So g of 4 equals 16 minus 1. So g of 4 is going to be 15. So now I'm going to substitute. G of 4 is 15, so I'm going to cross out that g of 4, and I'm going to put 15. So now I have f of 15. And I'm going to plug that 15 in everywhere you see an x. So that's going to be f of 15 equals 5 times 15 plus 2. So f of 15 equals 5 times 15, which is 75, plus 2, and f of 15 equals 77. So that means my whole answer, which was f of g of 4, after I did all the math, I got the answer of 77. Taking a look at the last problem. It looks a little bit different, but it still means the same thing. This means g of f of x. And then I'm going to do the inside first. I'm going to do f of x. And I'm going to take that x and plug it in into the f function wherever you see an x. So for the first one, I have f of x, because that's what I'm plugging in, equals 5x plus 2. So now f of x is actually going to equal 5x plus 2. So now I'm going to put in 5x plus 2 into g of x.